You guys, look at us. Honey. Babe. Say hello.
Hello.
Look at us. Oh my god. No kids. Yeah. It feels so weird. Baby, doesn't feel weird? It feels different. But Sarah's living her best life outside with her cousin. Tyler's playing his Nintendo. Peace and quiet. So everybody's good. Fingers crossed that it remains that way. We're about to drive out now. Baby's finding the destination. And we're off on our first date. Kiss. How about fast, so?
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi babes, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. And as I turn on the camera, my battery is blinking. Don't ask me why. And I just changed the battery. Obviously, I take up a battery that's almost died. But anyway, let me see if I can get through the intro. By the title of this video, you guys probably know what is about to happen. Y'all, I'm about to leave my kids for the very first time in life. Okay. Let's see how that will turn out, but I'm excited. Babe and I are going on a date for the first time since we have kids alone. Since we have both kids for the first time in how many years? Calculate that. So before my battery rudely interrupted what I was saying to you guys and died just now, I was telling you guys that I'm excited about leaving the kids but nervous at the same time because it's the first time leaving them with anybody. So my sister-in-law and my brother will be watching them until we get back. We're just gonna be out for like 2 hours or so just to have dinner and spend some time alone. But let's see how it goes. Anyway, I'm here getting ready so that I can leave this house. Make sure I showered them and fed them and get them all set before we leave. So I'll be definitely vlogging to let you guys know how that goes. So by the title, you guys already know what's up. So pray for me so that my mama nerve will calm down while I'm out. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day and you guys are continuing to enjoy the vacation vlogs that we are showing you guys when we pull. So don't miss a beat. If you haven't yet catch up on all the vacation vlogs, make sure you guys go ahead and do so. So I'm getting ready to head out. So I'll show you guys my outfit when I'm in a better lighting. And yeah, enjoy the rest of today's vlog and I'll see you guys on the road. Little red lip never hurt nobody, does it? I like to tone down my red with a black lip liner. Who's that? Let me do my edges, let me do my edges. Yes, honey. Babe. Say hello.
Hello.
Look at us. Oh my god. No kids. Yeah. It feels so weird. Baby, doesn't it feel weird? It feels different. But Sarah's living her best life outside with her cousin. Tyler's playing his Nintendo. Peace and quiet. So everybody's good. Fingers crossed that it remains that way. We're about to drive out now. Baby's finding the destination. And we're off on our first date. Kiss. I'm not fast, so. I'm smiling. My hot date. My fine date.
So hold on, you have a date yesterday and you have a date.
Can you imagine 2 dates back to back? Things are going for me, not you, babe. You're too funny. When you're fine enough to be dated, okay? I'm fine enough to be dated, so yes, I'm taking all the dates. Oh my gosh, you guys, it feels so good. I can definitely get used to this. Thanks Anika and Conrad, I can get used to this. Any more volunteers? Any more volunteers? Let me know. Let me know. We're accepting babysitters. Oh my god, you guys, it's free. Oh, I'm freezing. Oh my god. So we are out here trying to find somewhere to eat, walking along this beach, but it's freezing. Yes, it's a water park, but it's closed. I'm freezing. The breeze coming from the beach is freezing. What a beautiful sunset that is. I want to catch it properly. There we go. Tackle. Okay, this one looks nice. Yours look like it belongs to me and mine belongs to you based off the glass.
Yeah.
Cheers to our first date without the kids. It tastes good.
Both look good.
Oh, yeah. So good. Yummy?
Very good.
I should have taken photos. I didn't take any photos. Oh my god. It's so good. So good. Dessert time. This looks so good. Just me and my baby. You guys, dinner was so good. Tell the truth.
It was good.
Dinner was yummy. We ate our belly full. And now we're walking along the beach. The beach is right there. It's dark so you guys can see it. We're just enjoying this moment. And then we're gonna head back home. I don't wanna go. I wanna stay here. No, we gotta go home to our baby.
Can't abuse.
This opportunity. You see this is the lightning in the sky.
Oh, what is the light?
Look there, hear it. Hey. Big. Hi, Tyler.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, everybody. Hi. Hi. How are you? Baby, it's a drum to come to you. We did adulting things.
Did you come back more love than ever?
Yes. You guys, we are back. Got back just in time to put our kids to bed. It was an amazing evening. Honey, say goodbye to Fizz. So we are heading to bed right now because tomorrow's he said it was a great day. You finish? Look at this one. You had fun this evening without Mama and Papa? Awesome. Now go to bed, lay down,
And water.
please. So hopefully you guys enjoy Babe and I little date out. I can definitely get used to that, which I know won't really happen, but we'll take this. And we appreciate my brother and my sister-in-law for taking care of the kids while we were out. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam. Catch up and keep up, and tomorrow will be another day of adventure, another day of vacation. So stick and stay, go nowhere at all, because the vacation vlogs will keep coming. So love you guys, and we'll see you guys